Hey YouTube, got a new unboxing for you. Today we've got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. I've been watching these Z Folds throughout the years, and with the new notes coming out and the S Pens that went with them, I was never really intrigued enough to jump onto the Fold bandwagon. But after this year, with S Pen compatibility on the Fold series, as well as a Note not coming out this year, I thought it was a perfect time to go ahead and pull out the Z Fold as one of my phones for the year. So let's see what we've got here. I'm rocking the AT&T version. There it is. Look at that bad boy. Man, that is a nice piece of tablet slash phone right there. So let's see what else comes in the box. Of course, you have your AT&T SIM. I'll be using the one out of my iPhone 12 Pro Max right now. Let's see what we have in here. We should know what we have, which is a USB cable. No charging brick, of course, because it's better for the economy. Then your instructions and paperwork and stuff. So that's it for an unboxing on the Z Fold 3. Not very much to it, but let's take a look at it. Let's peel off this. Wow, that wraps all the way around. Try to cover up my in the ESN as much as possible. Let me peel that bad boy off. Let's take a look at this. Man, that is a sharp looking phone right there. Oh, and it's got a lovely sticker for the outside. I don't know if this is a screen protector on the inside. I'd say it is. Let's see. Let me see if that bad boy comes up. Man, that is on there. I don't know if I want to peel that off. That's probably a real good screen protector there. It's going to wind up coming off because I got screen protectors I ordered already, but I'll leave that on for the time being. But check that out. Thin, very thin, especially when it's open. You can see how thin that is. Man, these are nice phones. Supposed to have a fingerprint sensor right here. We'll check that out later. Yeah, that's a screen protector on there for sure. Like I said, I'll leave that on for a little bit, but that's going to wind up coming off soon. Man, this thing is, like you always think, I know with the original Z Fold, people were talking about how clumsy the clasp is, or whatever you call that piece, but this is like, it's very... Once you get it up, you have so many different angles you can use it. And then once it's almost opened all the way, it just opens. And then when it's almost closed all the way, you have to close it all the way. There you go. So it goes to about right there before it shuts. And then you can get it to about right there before it shuts. So it has a full almost 100 and I'd say 75 degree, 170 degree maybe hinge on it before it automatically snaps shut. But so far so good on this thing. I have I have the new Galaxy Watch 4 Classic I'm getting ready to unbox, as well as the Galaxy Buds Pros. So I'll get those next, but let me know what you think of it. If there's anything you want to see about it, I'll be doing some reviews on anything. If you got any questions, comments, put them in the comment link below. And if you like a quick little unboxing that really shows you the details of an unboxing and how it feels and looks in the hand, subscribe and like my show or like my video. Thanks.